Hello everyone, Pax Manigid Mupia, ang kay mabian igid malamian. Of course, we are here in BG's, hindi kayo magsisisi. So, breakfast tayo dito sa Rande Donuts. Rande, wow, may mga baby boys. Hello, and of course, here I am wearing color gray hoodie. So first, in the list, inom ng kape. Yung gusto kita maging kapiling. And of course, paired with donut. Gusto ko ng something sweet kasi hindi siya sweet. Charot! So, guys, checking myself. All by myself. Yan yung Randy Donuts here in BGC. So, visit you guys, ha. So, ayan, I'm wearing my mask pala. Kasi mas importante siya. Hoy! Joke lang. Sarap ng kanilang kape. I choose the brewed coffee. Hindi siya matamis kasi it's brewed, no sugar. So, yun, bagay sa donut. Nalakas kong kumain. Yung ini-imagine ko siya yung aking kinakain. Charot. Wow. So, guys, so please visit Randy Donuts. Malapit lang siya sa Uptown Mall.